Hello guys, my name is Victor Ibe. You can call me Basity. So for today's video clip, I don't package for now some celebrity gist. Don't go anywhere. I dey come back sharply.
You are now watching a Basity Media channel. Please click on the subscribe and notification button.
Alright guys, welcome back. So as I don't hear for now before, see I get package celebrity gist for now. So now make we enter the skits. The first celebrity for my list now Joel Amadi. Joel Amadi will be Nigerian singer don post for social media to report say some suspected Fulani herdsmen don shoot him papa dead. Any which way the singer can't go ahead for him post dey yarn say Governor Nasir El-Rufai never do enough to curb terrorism wey dey Kaduna State. For him post he writes, "It's just been confirmed that my lovely dad is dead shot by herdsmen and my mom and sisters can't even talk to me on phone. Tag at El-Rufai. He needs to know that he is not doing enough to curb the state of terrorism in Kaduna." So now wetin Joel Amadi dey yarn be that. So me sef dey sorry for that, but just take am. Anyway, to another celebrity I wan yarn a gist for na D'banj. Well, D'banj wey rename na Oladapo Oyebanjo don file defamation suit to FCT High Court requesting the court to order Seyi Tom wey be the accuser for rape to write letter of apology for the accusation wey she dey accuse am as she don withdraw the matter for court. In court dey yarn say the accusation don concern embarrassment, ridicule, derision, marital disharmony, mental agony and psychological trauma. So we all know Seyi Tom say Seyi Tom be the accused D'banj before for rape, but now he don withdraw the case for court. So D'banj dey file defamation suit say Seyi Tom was to write apology letter for am. So na so the matter be for D'banj and Seyi Tom case. Number 3 celebrity for my list na Davido. One celebrity barman wey be Cubana chief priest don share the video of Nigerian musician Davido with popular American rapper Nasir Oludara Jones wey we know well as Nas as dem dey discuss for the video. So e be like say dem bin wan release one track but I no too sure because the video dey muted. Cubana chief priest wey post am write, "Senior man at Nas with my bro Davido official making something lit. Thank God say I born my children from Yankee. Their suffer no go ever be like my own." So na so the matter be with Davido and Nas for here. So another story wey I get one na Ogo Best Music. Ogo Best Music don set to release 2 songs wey be Shakara and Na Your Body Go Tell You. So they don yarn am say the audio and even the video go comot fully by next week. So make una anticipate for these 2 songs, Shakara and Na Your Body Go Tell You. Anyway, as e dey hot, I say make I yarn another story for now wey be Toke Akinwa. Toke Akinwa don yarn am say marriage should have an expiry date and subject to renewal clause. In post dey right, "I think marriage should have an expiry and subject to renewal clause after a number of years, like the way we renew agreements. People should be allowed to look back on time out in, grade themselves and hit the renewal button if they can still stand each other." Look up for that post say, "Each time I see people who have been married for 10 years and more, I can't lie, I respect them big for holding it together and not losing it. It is as a lot of work and I wish many people were more honest about that journey." Well, I don't know wetin dey inspire am to write this kind thing post am, but any which way na so the tori take be, na so take dey yarn am. Any which way as e dey hot, I say make I yarn this one for now. Controversial Nollywood actress wey be Regina Daniels don tattoo im pikin name for her wrist. She make the video of the tattoo come share am for her Instagram page. The name of im pikin na Money. Meanwhile, popular Nigerian singer wey be Adekunle Gold Kosoko don reply to the female fan wey dey beg am to be im second wife after Simi. We all know well say na Simi na im be Adekunle Gold one and only wife. But na so this lady take tweet say she wan occupy second position as Simi don occupy the first position. Well, so this whole drama don start when Adekunle Gold post say "Dangerous Love by Tiwa Savage is fire, abeg." Na him one fan reply say AG baby is sick. Na Adekunle Gold reply, "I am not sick in Jesus' name." So na later the female fan come post me and say "Make me second wife." Well, na so the matter take be for here. Okay, so another story wey I get for na here. "I don't do drug, I just smoke weed." Now we dey yarn that one and Naira Marley aka Igbulabi aka Malians aka is plenty aka So now so in the yarn for here say I don't do drugs, I just smoke weed. Any which way we all know normally whether but in the yarn and here say no they do drug, you just they smoke. Any which way leading Nigeria artists wey name na Two-Face wey we also know as Tubaba don declare in total support for Kid Wire wey be Big Brother Naija housemate. In post for social media say oh yeah team Kid Wire let's go there, Big Brother Naija lockdown. Okay, so last the tori I wan yarn for na the one of Moyo Lawal wey be popular Nollywood actress don search in Instagram on TokTok fire with him sexy photos for bathroom where he use him towel cover her modesty. He can write for the post, your favorite troublemaker is back, if you zoom, spiritual slap you. Alright my people, I hope, in fact I know say you don't enjoy this video clip well, so you know the right thing to do. If you never subscribe for this channel, just click the subscribe button down there as I go to release plenty lamba, package lamba for here. Alright my people, make I end am here.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe.